Hi, I'm Brianna, a student at WVU Parkersburg. Today, we will be reviewing how to use Google Calendar. This is a great resource to keep track of assignments and their due dates, lectures, and appointments with advisors. First, log into your Gmail account using either your WVUP email or personal Gmail. Click the Create button in the top left corner. You can choose between creating an event, focus time, or out of office, working location, task, and appointment schedule. You can set a date on the pop-up or maneuver between days, weeks, months, years, and more to click on a certain date and add an item to your calendar. You can add a title, set a time, invite guests via their email addresses, add video conferencing, add a location of the event, any notes and attachments needed in the description, and set your status as either busy or free. If your event is recurring, you can set it to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, annually, or to a custom schedule. You can add a notification to remind you of this event. Add a colored label so you can easily see what you have planned based on a glance of the color across your calendar. Finally, click the Save button to add this item to your calendar.